Hello students, today we will learn about 4 very important words in algebra. If you understand this, algebra will be very easy. The first one is variable and constant, coefficient, and term. Okay, we will see variables, constants, coefficients, and terms. First, we will see variable. Variable means a letter. A letter represents a number. ቫሪያብል ማለት እንግዲህ it is a letter የሆነ ሌተር ነው ማለት ነው። የፈለግነው ሌተር መጠቀም እንችላለን። that represents a number ቁጥርን ሊተካልን የሚችል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ቁጥሮች ሊለያዩ ስለሚችሉ ነው ቫሪያብል የተባለው ማለት ነው። ቫሪ የሚያደርግ ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ for example if you say x can be 10, x can be 11 or x can be 1/2 and like 0.8 and like so it varies. X for example, x is equal to 10, x is equal to 11 or x is equal to 1/2, x is equal to 0.8 እያለ ሌላም ቁጥሮችን ያጠቃልላል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ቫሪ የሚያደርግ ከሆነ it is called variable ይባላል ማለት ነው። The next one is constant. Constant is just fixed. Constant is fixed. It can't vary as a variable. So, for example, if you say 5, for example, 5 is a number which is fixed number. 5 is always 5. It can't equal to 6, 7, or and the like. So, 5 is 5 and 6 is 6. It can't equal to other numbers. So, it is fixed. So, constant is a number which is fixed. That means that cannot change. The next one is coefficient. Coefficient means just a number in front of variable. Coefficient is a number in front of variable. For example, in 3x, this 3 is coefficient. So this is x is a variable, so 3 is a number in front of this variable x, so it is called the coefficient. Coefficient ማለት ቁጥር ነው ከቫሪያብሉ ፊት ለፊት የሚገኝ ማለት ነው። And the last one is term. Term is, it is just the part of expression that is isolated by plus sign or minus sign. Term is part of expression. Separated by plus or minus sign. ተርም ማለት እንግዲህ የኤክስፕሬሽን አንድ ፓርት ሲሆን ሰፓሬት የሚደረገው በፕላስ ኦር በማይነስ ሳይን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። for example, if you take 3x plus 5, this 3x and this 5 is separated by this plus sign, so 3x is one term and 5 is another term. So 3x, for example, coefficient is a variable and 5 is constant, so this constant can be term and 3x can be term, so they are separated by this plus sign. Another example, if you take 3x minus 4y plus 10 plus 9z, if you take this example, 3x is a term, minus 4y is a term, 10 and 9z are all terms. They are separated by this plus and minus sign. ስለዚህ እነዚህን በደንብ ከተገነዘባችሁ ኔክስት ላይክ እና አንላይክ ተርም እናያለን። በጣም ቀላል ይሆንላችኋል ማለት ነው። ቪዲዮውን እስከመጨረሻ ስለተከታተላችሁኝ እጅግ አድርጌ አመሰግናለሁ። ባይ ባይ።